In today's video, we're going to be addressing the negative comments being hurled at the US-based producer DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled recently planned a surprise trip to fly into Jamaica and visit his longtime friend Buju Banton. Buju Banton was recently released from incarceration in the United States a few days ago, and since his release, every single person has been talking about the Gargamel. Now, DJ Khaled flew down to Jamaica and said he has a few business ventures he has to attend to, as well as visit his friend.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, you will get the alert first. So as we all may know by now, DJ Khaled is actually in Jamaica after his surprise visit, and there is a lot of people who are excited and happy to see the unity between DJ Khaled and his longtime friend Buju Banton. But on the other hand, there are many persons who are shining a negative light on it, saying that DJ Khaled is up to no good and that it is all a setup to bring Buju Banton down. Now people, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you all the comments and then read it off phone, make you get a little insight on where exactly I'm going with this and where it all is coming from. See it here. DJ Khaled's behavior is suspect. He talks too much and too flashy. Anyone who talks too fast like they are at an auction, beware. Open your eyes, Buju. Most of these people have a preconceived notion that black people are stupid and they always try to treat us badly, which include robbing us. Now this busy man takes time to fly all the way to Jamaica to visit his friend. Why? Exploitation of black culture. You think Arabs would let black people make money off them? Hell no. We have to stop letting people come in black culture and exploit us. It's the same way P. Diddy tried to sacrifice Super Cat by sending hitmen after him, but because Super Cat is a bad man, it never worked and he eventually had to flee New York. Khaled is Illuminati sellouts.
Disclaimer, the previous comment does not reflect the beliefs of Unstoppable TV in any way, shape or form, but is solely those of the commenter.
Now back to our regular programming. Am I the only one who doesn't trust DJ Khaled? Typical third world people mentality. When someone with money come to visit our island, DJ Khaled is seeking his interest, okay? People are so easily influenced. Is DJ Khaled Syrian descent? Honest question. Alright, so while all them negative comments is being heard on social media, DJ Khaled definitely just not pay them no mind, because after all, if you are a celebrity in the public's eye, you have to be able to deal with them kind of thing. So I'm quite sure by now, word probably has gotten to DJ Khaled's ears, and DJ Khaled hear the rumors probably by now. But me sure the man not pay that no mind. Instead, what Khaled do, Khaled just go and link up with all them friends at Jamaica, like for example Sizzla Kalonji, Anthony B, and all them people, and go and have some fun. Check out Khaled riding bike. You see him? Have fun down a yard here, Khaled.
Bang it.
Quick walk. Yeah, big up all the people them. DJ Khaled, Sizzla Kalonji, Judgment, yeah. Just a little tour, alright? Bang
it! Kick all in the shot.
Yeah.
Now, if you don't believe for some reason that Khalid is just not paying attention to the negativity that's going on social media, I have more proof, because DJ Khalid, while some people are shining negative lights on his reason why he's in Jamaica, he is there showing off our country to the rest of the world and showing the rest of the world how beautiful our country, Jamaica, really is.
Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. This is God. This is God. This is God. Look at this. Man.
You said you have to get in.
No,
It's the fountain of youth.
This the fountain of youth?
Yeah, man, it's fountain, man. It's pretty nice.
Fountain of youth.
Yeah, man. Take your time, get down here. Don't jump, let's take your time. Yeah, man. Woo! Put your face underneath here and feel the bubbles.
Unbelievable. This is God.
Not everybody knows about this, man.
Jamaica. Look how beautiful this is. Friends and all. Look at my son. My queen, we out here. It's so beautiful, man. It makes so many vibe, man. God is great. I mean, it's handy. Man, we just on the ocean now. Look at Winston. Winston, say what's up, Winston. I love you, little boy. Hey, little boy. What you doing? Yes, boy. Look how beautiful. That's all right. Me, you, and Mama were in Jamaica. That's how I look. I love you, boy. I love you. This is what it's about, family. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. We, the Cali family, we only represent love. And you already know the master key is God is the greatest. Thank you, God, for all our blessings. God is the greatest aside. I love you, okay? I just want to see my son happy every day, smile, enjoying life. That's what we do. We about the kids. We about our families. Only love. Bless up the young world worldwide. So beautiful out here, right? Me and Honey. What's it say?
Life is vibes.
This is life.
The beat said life is.
Life is vibes.
Yeah.
Life is vibes.
It said life.
Vibes.
L-I.
It's vibes.
It's vibes. Yeah.
So beautiful.
See the water running out here?
Yeah.
Thank you, God. So beautiful. So beautiful. What's this part called?
Alright, this is called James Bond.
Oh, it's James Bond Beach?
This is the original one.
Well, there you have it. DJ Khaled is certainly living it up in Jamaica despite all the negativity on social media. Comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Do you agree with the things that some of these people are saying? Or do you think they are just taking it too far? Comment, talk to us, and we'll definitely respond. Watch you know, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.